In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Evernote. Whether you're using Evernote to organize your research, jot down important notes, or simply declutter your thoughts, knowing how to highlight text effectively can enhance the way you use this remarkable tool. Highlighting not only improves the readability of your notes, but also allows you to easily call out essential information without disturbing the flow of your text. To begin, let's start by opening up Evernote and navigating to the note where you want to add highlights. This could be a fresh note you're creating or an existing one that you're editing. Once you have your note open, carefully select the portion of text you wish to emphasize with a highlight. You do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired text. This will ensure that only the text you've chosen will be highlighted, allowing you to maintain clarity and focus on the most important parts. After you've selected the text, glance up towards the formatting toolbar above your note. The toolbar is packed with various formatting options, and the one we're interested in is the highlight icon. Now, this icon might look like a little marker or highlighter pen, depending on the version of Evernote you're using. Clicking this little gem will instantly apply a default highlight color to the selected text. This is usually a pale yellow, making your text stand out without overwhelming it. If at any time you decide that a different color might work better for your needs, Evernote offers you the flexibility to change this. You can do so by clicking the small arrow next to the highlight icon, which will present you a palette of color options. Feel free to choose a shade that best suits your intent or personal preference. A couple of tips to keep in mind while highlighting. Try not to overdo it. If you highlight too much text, it diminishes the effect and everything becomes equally important. Instead, be selective and highlight only the most essential parts. This will ensure your notes remain readable and efficient. Additionally, if you ever need to remove a highlight, simply reselect your text and click on the highlight icon again. Evernote will remove the highlight, reverting your text back to its default appearance. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to effectively use highlights to emphasize critical information in your Evernote notes. Use this capability to enhance your note-taking and make your important information stand out effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Evernote.